Hey guys, welcome to Manoeuvre Education. Are you worried about your career after 12th? Are you worried about what career path to choose after 12th? Do you want to get into management fields but worried that you might have to wait till your graduation to get into it? Well, this video is just for you, because in this video, we're gonna talk about a course or an exam which will take you to your dream of getting into management an inch closer, and that too just after year 12. Yes guys, we're talking about the IPMAT examination which is conducted by IIM Indore. So stay tuned in this video because we're going to talk about how to get into IIM Indore, the eligibility criteria, the fee structure and the placements. But before we move further, we've already launched the batches for 2023 and 2024 where you can join us for the live classroom sessions. You'll be provided with books, ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks. You'll get doubt classes, recorded videos, topic wise test, full length and sectional mock test. You'll be added to a WhatsApp group. You'll be getting 10,000 plus questions to solve, and you get a proper mentorship. You'll also be prepared for the GD, VAT and the PI. You can target for the IPMAT, IPMAT, NPAT, CET General, Symbiosis, NLU Delhi, NMIMS and other various campuses. If you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can contact our centers at Dadar, Borivali and Vasai. If you're outside Mumbai looking for online classes and live session, you can contact our number at 8828581455, or else you can visit the official website www.manoeuvreedu.com for more information. Now let's head straight into the video. So before pursuing IPMAT, one should know what is IPMAT. IPMAT stands for Integrated Program in Management Aptitude Test, which is also known as the IPMAT. It is a professional course or degree conducted by IIM Indore. It is conducted once a year, April or May. So next year in 2023, your registration will start in the month of April and your exam will be conducted in the month of May. Candidates should have been born on or after 1st of August 2000. So if you are born on this date or after this, you are eligible to give the examination. So the basic criteria is that your age should be less than 20 years. If you come from a general or OBC category, 5 years of relaxation for SC, ST and PWD candidates, which means the upper age for these candidates is 25 years. Minimum 60% mark in your 10th and 12th if you are from general or OBC category. 55% for SC, ST and PWD candidates, which means 5% of relaxation to them. Now let's take a look at the fee structure and the placements. The fee structure for an Indian student stands at 4 lakh per annum, which means 24 lakh will be for your first 3 years of BBA and the rest for 2 years of MBA. Same with the fee structure for foreign students stands at 6 lakh per annum. Again 3 years for BBA and 2 years for MBA. I know the fee structure is at a bit higher side, but let's look at the placement students have actually got passing out from IIM Indore. So the average package stands at 23.6 lakh per annum. Median package stands at 22.6 lakh per annum. Highest, look at this number, 56.8 lakh per annum. 24% of growth or increase in the finance role, 40 lakh per annum in the domestic package and 58 lakh per annum the international package. So if you compare the fee structure with the ROI, you spend around 30 to 35 lakh for your 5 years in BBA. The average package you get is 23 lakhs. The highest package you get is 56 lakhs. Look at the comparison. Guys, it's a top rated IIM and is also known as the father of IIMs because they were the first one to start this 5 years integrated course. So always target the top IIMs because the amount of money you will be investing, you get a good ROI on that. So prepare for top IIMs. Again, if you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can contact our centers at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. If you're outside Mumbai looking for online classes and live sessions, you can contact our number at 8828581455. As usual, follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for regular exam updates and notification. Till then, take care and prepare well.